Nothing OS is entering its next big chapter, and all eyes are on the upcoming Nothing OS 4, built on top of Android 16. This major update is not just another routine rollout. It's shaping up to redefine how Nothing phones look and feel, while keeping the brand's signature minimal style intact. According to latest leaks and teasers on Nothing official X account, Nothing OS 4 might launch sooner than expected, probably the 18th of September, with a closed beta already live for the flagship Nothing Phone 3. What makes this update exciting is the complete visual refresh. Early teasers reveal a more polished design language across quick settings, widgets, and system icons. Expect new circular toggles for features like Bluetooth, dark mode, and brightness. Plus, a redesigned flashlight icon with a distinct red highlight. A fresh to-do list widget and pill-shaped switches add utility alongside style. These tweaks may sound small individually, but combined, they deliver a cleaner, more unified experience that feels premium. Under the hood, Nothing OS 4.0 is based on Android 16. That means users can expect better security, improved privacy controls, smoother animations, and system-level refinements from Google's latest release. The new Android 16 is completely AI-focused and serve as the base to integrate better AI functionalities to make user experience even better. However, not every Nothing device will get this new update. The original Nothing Phone 1 has officially reached the end of its promised software support and will not receive OS 4. But as a Nothing Phone 1 user, you don't have to worry, because Nothing is cooking something interesting for early adopters as a gesture of support. By the way, which device do you use? Let us know in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. The confirmed list of eligible devices includes the full 2023 to 2025 lineup: Phone 3, Phone 3A and 3A Pro, Phone 2, Phone 2A, Phone 2A Plus, CMF Phone 1, and the CMF Phone 2 Pro. If you own one of these models, you can expect the update to arrive in multiple phases starting later this year. What else can users look forward to? The company has teased deeper lock screen customization, smoother transitions, and additional widgets, making Nothing OS more functional in daily use. Beyond this release, Carl Pei has hinted at a bigger ambition: a proactive, hyper-personalized OS that goes beyond Android, built with AI at its core. This long-term vision could arrive in 2026 with the first AI-native devices, bringing features like agent-based task automation. Latest funding round of $200 million at $1.3 billion valuation, the company is now completely focused on making AI better than Apple and Samsung. In short, Nothing OS 4.0 blends Android 16's improvements with a refreshed visual identity that feels smoother, smarter, and more interactive. With rollout starting autumn 2025, all modern Nothing and CMF phones will be eligible, except the original Phone 1. Expect cleaner design, improved widgets, and the first steps toward a much bigger vision of AI-native smartphones. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing OS 4? Does your device fall in the list? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.